Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oats chocolate cookies at home easy guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Mix 1 cup oats, 1 cup flour, a half cup cocoa, 3/4 cup sugar, melted butter, and 1 egg until combined. Fold in 1 cup chocolate chips. Scoop dough, flatten slightly, and bake 10-12 minutes until set. Let cookies cool on the sheet for 2 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. Start by creaming your softened butter with sugar until it looks light and airy. Add 1 egg and a splash of vanilla, mixing to combine. Stir in sifted flour, cocoa, baking powder, and a pinch of salt, then fold in the oats until evenly incorporated. Gently add chocolate chips so they stay intact. Chill the dough briefly if it feels too soft, which helps the cookies hold their shape in the oven. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup after cookie baking effortless, with voice control and smart mapping that clears crumbs while you relax. It's a small upgrade that saves time and keeps your kitchen ready for more baking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place rounded tablespoons of dough on the prepared tray, spaced about 2 inches apart to allow spreading. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set but the centers remain soft. They will firm as they cool. For a chewier center, take them out a bit earlier. After baking, let cookies sit on the sheet for 2 minutes, then transfer to a rack so they finish cooling evenly and stay crisp on the edges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.